You do what I tell you and you can survive, Mr. Parrot. You got lucky. You tell them that you survived and tell them fake warnings to make them all worried. And then they'll all rush and try and finish me. Meanwhile, they don't know deep down will soon be here to finish them all and kill them all. They will never have it coming. This is the best trap ever! Now go tell Lucky if you want a chance to survive. So that's really right? That's really what he told you? That little... I'll fudge and kill him. I'll get revenge for you, Parrot Boy. All you were there for is just to do a little spying, man. And VMAX comes to try and stop you? I don't want to have to get into this war stuff, but you know what? I fudge and will kill him. 'Cause nobody messes with my pet. I will go. Who exactly are you meant to be?
There's not much time until they're all dead. That parrot doesn't know everything. There may be secrets in this video, but I guess you all would find out. Just like you don't know who I am, because there's a glitch voice over it. Let's just say I'm from the galaxy. See you in a bit.